3. We're back, Boracay! Hi, Boracay! Landed at Katiklan! Ready ka na bang magpatan?
I saw the darkest dark, but then you took my heart, and now I'll never be the lost in pieces. You make me levitate. Somebody said it's fate. Somehow you always fix the broken pieces. You are the only thing that is better fit for me, and you are the only one that I ever thought I need. When I'm with you, I'm better forever. With you, when I'm with you, I'm better forever. With you, no one else this way.
Hi guys! We're back in Boracay and today we're staying at True Home Hotel. Pakita ko sa inyo, ha?
Guys, today we are staying at Boracay True Home. So this is the king-size bed. This is the cabinet.
Okay, wait. Let me... Okay, there's a cabinet and then?
That's the couch.
That's the couch? Alright.
That's the bathroom.
Can we check the bathroom? Can you open it? Okay. Oh, no bathtub. Okay. It's clean na.
Are
Okay.
you ready for the best part?
The best part? What's the best part?
The pool.
Really? Show me. Wow! Your own pool, Cyril. What's even better than the pool? The lounge area and the view. Ayun yung dalawa, oh. Hi! Taray, may pa-rainbow. Welcome Hognos daw. I know why you're thinking that.
Why?
Kasi di ba when we were at the house, he asked me how big it is.
Yeah.
And then what did mommy say?
Palagi sa ba?
And then it's much bigger pala, no?
Yeah.
Are you happy? Wow! Okay. Wow. Oh, show everyone how you swim. Paano ka mag-swim? Yung float. Try to float. Yeah. Okay. And then relax. Wow. Ang galing talaga ni Cyril.
Mommy, I have something for you.
What is it?
Let me get it.
I love you.
I love you.
Off to dinner. Saan tayo pupunta, Cyril? Bumagrid. Sa best restaurant in Boracay. Nga eh. Gusto mong try minsan? Sige. Here at Bama Grill. Masarap dito. Hi, nandito kami sa favorite restaurant namin sa Boracay, which is Bama Grill. Pag nandito kami, ito yung mga ino-order talaga namin. Crispy pata, inihaw na puset, sisig, and sisling bulalo. Sobrang sarap talaga nito kasi yan ang dapat ng orderin pag nandito kayo. Gutom na si Suri. Gutom na. Okay, let's see. Yummy. For dessert, ube shake. Isa rin to sa hindi nyo dapat palagpasin dito sa Bama Grill. Sarap. Magkano damage, boss? 558. Happy first day.
Hi guys, good morning. This is our breakfast.
Morning, Cyril! Hi guys! Good morning! It's our second day here in Boracay and today maglalakad tayo from Station 1 to 3. Minsan kasi kapag hindi pa kami bumabalik dito, I mean we go here every quarter, so kapag hindi pa kami nakakabalik, namimiss ko yung Boracay. And I want to have a video that I can watch to see what it looks like walking from Station 1 to 3. So tara, sama kayo sa akin! Hi guys! So, nandito na tayo sa almost dulo ng Station 1. So, kung nakikita nyo yun, no, may daan doon papuntang Diniwid Beach. Gusto ko sana magpunta dyan minsan, kaso medyo challenging yung trail, yung daan. May mga parts na maninipis lang yung daan and baka hindi pwede kay Cyril. So, let's see. Pag tomorrow may free time, I'll explore it by myself kasi hindi sila pwede maglakad dyan. Okay, so the first resort you'll see here is Harlan Beach Resort. If I'm not mistaken, I think kay Heart Evangelista yan. So, I forgot the price, pero hindi medyo, mahal talaga siya. And then next to it, there's another villa. Walang pangalan, pero alam ko, na-search ko na din to dati when I was looking for a place for the family to stay during the 2023 holidays. So, yan. And then, I don't know kung bago to. Mayumi Beach House. So, again, looks like another villa perfect for families and big groups. Ito naman yung The Lind, Boracay. Nakapag-stay na rin tayo dyan before. They have good rooms, good breakfast. Maganda yung pool. Kaso yung pool nila medyo malamig. Pero yung nasa taas, yung infinity pool, yon maganda. Sakto lang yung temperature doon. Ito naman, I think ito yung dating Fridays and mukhang nagre-renovate sila. So, That's good. Ito naman yung Discovery Shores, Boracay. Nakapag-stay na rin tayo dito pero matagal na. That was way back in 2009. Okay din dyan. Sobrang ganda ng rooms. Maganda yung, or masarap yung breakfast buffet. Maganda yung pool. And maganda din yung shoreline nila. Pakita ko sa inyo. Yan. Malawak and malinis. Next naman is Ambassador Inn, Paradise. Hindi pa tayo nakapag-stay dito pero we've tried their restaurant before. Masarap din yung food nila. Kaso yung style kasi ng rooms dito is medyo rustic yung design. Hindi kasi ako mahilig sa rooms na ganon. Gusto ko yung modern na design. Pero yan, malawak din yung beachfront nila. They have beach beds. And ito yung shoreline nila. Guys, tingnan nyo. Ang ganda-ganda talaga ng Boracay. Grabe, oh. Kahit ano pang sabihin nila na overrated, it's not overrated. Maganda talaga ang Boracay. I think this is Henan Prime. Yes. Nakapag-stay na rin kami rito. Sa lahat ng Henan, ito yung, to be honest, least favorite ko. Kasi medyo masikip siya tingnan. Like, if you look at it, yan na yung property. And then it stretches back hanggang sa likod. Meron silang rooms here sa beachfront and also dun sa main road. Then next is Two Seasons. Of course, we know the famous Barlow restaurant with the 4-cheese pizza and oyster sisig. Ganda-ganda talaga sa Boracay. Ito naman yung Seawind Boracay Resort. Grabe, sila siguro yung may pinakamalaking stretch ng beachfront. At sobrang linis. Look, so dyan nag-start sa may coconut tree. Up until dito. So, ang lawak. Nakita ko na rin yung rooms nila, pero sa website lang. And yun nga, medyo ano rin siya. Parang old school yung style ng rooms. Next, Estancia 1. I wonder kung ito yung dating Willy's Beach Resort. Nawala na yun eh. So I think ito siya dati. Yan, pag gusto nyo magpa-picture, may mga magpa-picture din dito. Tuturuan pa kayo ng pose. Ayan, may Kulay Mangyan na rin pala rito. Hindi ko pa siya natikman honestly, pero lagi siyang fini-feature ng mga vloggers when it comes to affordable eats here in Boracay. And then, ito another boutique hotel, Seaworth Boracay. Maliit lang siya and konti lang yung rooms, pero maganda rin kasi paglabas mo ng bedroom mo, ayan na yung view mo. After ng Seaworth, ayan, may abandoned building na mabibili ni Abigail. At dyan tatayo ang ating beach resort. Charot lang. Pero yeah, malaki-laki siya. Malay mo, di ba? Minsan, pag nagbibiro tayo ng ganyan, bigla nagkakatotoo. Dream big. Okay, next is Watercolor Beach Resort. Grabe guys, ang sarap ng burger nila dyan. As in, binalik-balikan namin yon. Dedicated nga pala to para kay Aaron May. Sabi niya, bawal daw ako kumain ng burger dyan pag di siya kasama. And then the next one is, of course, where we're staying right now, ang True Home Boracay. So si Pipo tsaka si Suril nagsuswimming ngayon. Ayaw nila sumama sa akin maglakad. And then, another abandoned or empty lot or property. Another opportunity to buy. Wow! There. Ang ganda rin nung beachfront niya. Tsaka malapit din kay Willy's Rock. Ito naman si Sunnyside Cafe. Honestly, for me, I'm sorry but it's overrated. Hindi ko ganong type yung lasa ng mga pagkain nila. Like, yeah. Aesthetic, maganda, but for the price, yung lasa, hindi siya pasok for me. And then next is Parao Beach Club. Masarap mag-party dyan pag gabi-gabi, pero I don't party anymore. Ariel's House Smooth Cafe. Hindi ko pa rin na-try dyan. And then, katabi niya is our favorite restaurant, Bama Grill. During this months, ang ganda talaga ng Boracay, like from June onwards. Kasi wala na yung mga lumot, malinis siya. Maganda yung shoreline, especially sa Station 1. I think nililinis nila, pero ang ganda talaga. Next is Joni's Beach Resort Boracay. So, sa kanila rin ata yung Maya's Restaurant. Yung rooms nila nandoon sa other side of the road. Diyan ako nagstay nung first time ko rito sa Boracay. That was way back 2007. Ito naman yung isa sa favorite spot ng mga tao na tambayan kasi maganda yung puno. Masyado siyang malaki, so it provides shade. Gagawin nila, magdadala lang sila rito ng banig. And then they would sit down. Yung iba nagpipiknik, and then they would people watch. At tapos ito yung view mo. Diba? Saya maglakad talaga sa Boracay, guys. Sobrang saya. Ang ganda-ganda. Look, oh. At saka perfect yung weather. Hindi ganong maaraw. Hindi ganong makulimlim. It's now 10:26. So, perfect. Napakaganda. This one is Royal Park Hotel. And then, alam ko merong ano rito eh. Macau Imperial. Ayun ata. Mga signs na malapit ka na sa Station 2. And then, Astoria Boracay. There's Tiger Sugar and White Sand Cafe. Oh, may icebergs na rin. Ayan, Bands Beach Resort and then Sandbar Beach Club. And then, katabi niya is yung Muse Boracay. Dito sa Muse Boracay, nandyan yung Nalka Seafood Restaurant dun sa taas. And oh my God, isa yung sa favorite namin dito. Sobrang sarap. So pag nandun kami, ang lagi naming ino-order doon is yung roast beef, kare-kare. Ano pa ba? Yung sisig nila. Yon, masarap yon. And then may katabi sila rito na Fortune Dragon Seafood Restaurant. I think it's a Chinese restaurant. And then right beside it is Aplaya ba to? Yeah, Aplaya. Though I haven't tried it yet. Maybe one of these days. And then the Royal Indian Curry House. Meron din yan sa MOA. It's Indian food. Ayan, lumapit na tayo kasi medyo mahirap nang kunan yung iba doon. So dito merong Army Navy. And then the Real Marius Beach Resort. Dito rin yung Zuzuni Boutique Hotel. They have Muchos Restaurant is Latin American. Then there's a convenience store here. And ganito yung itsura. So kanina dun tayo naglalakad. Lumapit tayo dito. La Fiesta Resort. And ang paboritong bilihan ng anak ko ng Magnum. Walang name yung store nila pero katabi lang siya ng La Fiesta Resort. Pamana Restaurant. And then, Fiesta Souvenir Cafe na siya. Dating yung Pikes or Pikes Coffee. So, wala na siya. Fiesta Souvenir Cafe na siya. And then, you still have Muni Muni here. And then, Jerry's Grill. Starbucks. Ang paborito ni Feldrin, tayo, team Coffee Bean Tea Leaf. Walang coffee bean dito sa Boracay. Oh my God, ang bango. May kape. Beach Hut Bar. Tapos dito marami na rin kayong makikitang mga items for souvenir. Isang stretch to bago dumating sa next Henan, which is the Henan Crystal Sands Resort. Itong sa tabi ng Henan, mukhang may ginagawang bagong beach resort. Mukhang malaki-laki rin siya. Matagal na rin yan. When was the last time? Noong April nandito kami sa Henan. Nag-start na rin to noon eh. So, medyo matagal-tagal pa yan. Kasi malaki yung area na kino-construct nila. And now, we've reached the family favorite, ang Henan Crystal Sands. So, sa lahat ng Henan, ito yung favorite namin. They have the pool at the top, sky pool. And then, okay yung breakfast buffet, okay yung rooms, okay yung staff, maganda yung service. Okay dyan. Busy si Heidi. Si Heidi yun, no? Busy si Heidi. Kausap yung guest. Mabait yan si Heidi. And then, there's a restaurant here, although, yung di pa namin na-try, Golden Ocean. And then, for Japanese, we have Hakata Boracay. Nandito siya sa District Hotel. Nagstay na rin kami dyan ng family noong December of 2023. It's a small hotel pero maganda kasi malapit lang siya sa shoreline. And then maganda rin yung mga rooms niya malapit sa pool. And then papasok is you have the GT Hotel Boracay. Then Jonas Fruit Shake. There's kettle corn. Ito bago tong Crocs. Nagaya si Pipoy dyan. So baka pupunta kami dyan mamaya or tomorrow. No, thank you. And then next, alam nyo na to, red coconut. Malapit na tayo sa B-Mall. Itong Surf and Turf Steakhouse, gustong itry yan ng kapatid ko nung nakarampa pero hindi namin napupuntahan. So, ayan. Lineup ng restaurants dito. You have Hardin. It's Mediterranean. And then, Globy. Parang ngayon ko na napansin tong Globy. And then we have Balikay. Katabi lang siya ng Cafe del Sol. So pag dito, yan, marami-rami lang mag-aalok sa inyo ng iba't ibang services, activities. Ayan na tayo. Or next time na tayo pumunta ng D-Mall. Then, wait. Pakita ko lang sa inyo. Dito yung paborito namin, which is yung Aria Gelato tsaka yung Ice Flakes. Sobrang sarap ng Ice Flakes. Addicting talaga siya. So, yan. Best gelato here. And then yan, Ice Flakes. Uy, may ganito na sila. So, CNN Global Top 50 Dessert. Kasi masarap naman talaga. Favorite ko dyan yung pineapple. Okay. Next is Epic Boracay. So, more on restaurant sa umaga, party place sa gabi. Ang ganda ng lights nila dyan. So, di ba, sentro talaga yung D-Mall. Dito maraming tao kasi yung mga ibang hotels at the back and sa main road, ito yung pinaka-access nila for the beachfront.
Oh, yung
yan. Ito medyo relatively new. Si Mandarin Nest. They have the Hakuna Matata restaurant. So we'll try that sometime. And then there's Jollibee there, Chowking, Inasal, and a spa. Ito naman yung Uptown Hotel. So pag gabi meron dyang live band. And then meron silang paluto right here.
Baka baby girl. Hindi ko rin kaya lang ito dito.
So, dito sa place na to, I rarely go here. Pero, pag nagbo-Boracay kami, every once in a while, naglalakad talaga ako, like from station 1 to 3. Pero hindi kasing dalas madaanan tong dadaanan natin ngayon, katulad ng, of course, station 1 and 2. So here, there's some Chinese restaurant. And then, the famous Hello Mango. Although, di ko pa rin siya natikman. Di kasi ako mahilig sa fruits and fruit-flavored ice cream. Spa massage. Sa mga gustong magpatato. No more tattoo.
Sus po kayo, ma'am.
Kelana Beach Pub. Real Coffee. Yung famous na Kalamansi Muffin. So sa stretch na to, it's more on like small businesses. Mga nagbe-braid, selling sunglasses, beach clothes.
Pilihan kita. Yung mura lang ha. Hindi mo.
Summer place. Here is Boracay Mandarin. So, ganun yung placement ng pool nila. Katabi ng restaurant. And then, we have their stone grill. Ito, Don Vito, Boracay. And there's KFC. And I guess, oo, dito. May daan dito pa, Henan Garden Resort. Bistro, Kusina, Boracay, Spa. Then may potato corner, R&B milk tea. Ang sarap ng milk tea dyan, guys. Then Shakey's. So I think dito sa Philippines, Shakey's ata, or yung R&B under siya sa umbrella ng Shakey's. Usually pag may R&B milk tea, makikita nyo may katabi siyang Shakey's. On bar.
Party boats, ma'am. Hello, Boston Classic Jazz, ma'am.
Andito na tayo sa Henan Regency. So dito marami silang restaurants dito. They have mesa. Then may Hapchan din dito. And I think they also have Christina's here. If I'm not mistaken, dati itong Crown Regency. I think Crown Regency resort siya dati. So yan. Christina's. And then there's Hapchan. So itong Henan Regency, siya actually yung pinakamalaking Henan dito sa Boracay. Yung nilalakad natin ngayon, part pa rin yan ng property nila. Uy, may peri-peri na rin pala rito. Ayan. Nakikita nyo ba yung sign? Peri-peri this way. And then, ang famous Sea Breeze Cafe for their dinner buffet. Ito pala yung Wave Boracay. So, it's a party place. Sobrang sarap ng sisig dyan. Grabe. And ito yung pinakabagong resort din dito sa Boracay. Mandarin Bay Resort and Spa. So, ayun siya. I think yung pool nito medyo paikot. It goes all the way around the property. So, dito meron ulit Jerry's Grill. Then, small stores, small businesses. Ito naman yung Chachas. So, masarap yung mojito nila dyan. Ito ulit. Hanggang doon, maraming souvenirs. Smoking. And then next is Nigi Nigi Nunus. So itong place na to sobrang sikat sa mga foreigners. I think one thing kasi, yung band nila dito, they play old school rock. So, masarap din tumambay dito minsan. Maganda yung music nila.
Paluto, dampa na.
Ice Flames! I think we're approaching Henan Palms now. Dito hindi pa kami nakapag-stay pero based sa mga napanood kong ibang vlogs and reviews, maganda rin siya. Well, technically, you can go wrong with the Henan. Ito naman is La Carmela de Boracay. So, isa to sa mga may affordable rates dito sa Boracay kaya napakarami na nag-stay dyan. Boracay Galleria. So dito mapapansin nyo, panipis na ulit yung mga tao. Oh, ito yung Paris Hilton. Hindi ko pa rin na-try dyan, pero isa yan sa nasa top when it comes to affordable affordable eats here in Boracay. Then you have the Calypso Beach and Dive Resort. Yang's Resto and Videoke. Then there's the Andox. Bamboo Beach Resort. Alam niyo dati guys, so nagstay kami rito noong 2008. Maliit lang siya noon. Parang kubo style yung mga accommodations nila. And then lumaki na siya ng lumaki. So ngayon may restaurant na siya. Nakikita ko minsan may shuttle service na rin sila. Sunset View Resto Bar. Dito rin sa Station 3, may kakaiba siyang charm. Like, tahimik din. And then, maganda rin yung shoreline niya. Maganda yung beach. Although, hindi ko pa na-try mag-swimming dito. Sabi nila biglang malalim daw agad eh. Here we have Casa Pilar Beach Resort. And dito malapit na yung Cafe Maruha. This Cafe Maruha. Sarap dito yung matcha soft serve nila. Actually, yogurt pala yun. Yung na-try namin. Matcha yogurt. Yan, we're now approaching Astoria Karen. Golden Phoenix Resto Bar, Sands Boracay. Dito may tagos na rin pa main road. Katabi ng Sands Resort. Then La Isla Bonita. Hindi ko alam kung bago to or ngayon ko lang napuntahan ulit. Andus. Looks nice. Hello. 7-Eleven. And dito may tagos rin ulit ng pamilya ko. Ito naman yung Ocean Club Resort. Guys, ang ganda rin dito, oh. Tapos ito yung harap nila. My God, ang ganda. See? So, Station 1, sobrang ganda ng beachfront. Malinis. Peaceful. Pero medyo mahal yung mga accommodations. Station 2 is where the action is. Okay yung price ng accommodation pero masyadong crowded. But if you want serenity na hindi ganun kamahal, consider staying sa Station 3. Like, look at that, guys. Ang ganda. Last time naglakad din kami ng kapatid ko rito. Umabot kami hanggang sa dulo na Station 3. Like, ang ganda talaga. See? Ito parang ang peaceful din magstay dito. Marzon, Boracay. May beans in Grand Blue. Ano to? Tita Mags. Oh my God, nagulat ako. Nagulat ako kay Doggy. Sandals in Boracay. Ang colorful niya. Villa Camellia. Ganda rin niya. May beach beds. That's their beachfront. Nice. Cocoloco, Boracay. Mamma Mia. Nice. Congas. Dito guys, masarap din daw dyan. Nagisa Coffee Shop. Time check, it's now 11:11. Going strong pa rin tayo. Tatapusin natin to hanggang Station 3 guys. Happy hour, 3 to 8. Lotus Bistro. Bipod Hotel. Sobrang ganda. Yung itsura niya dito reminds me of Bantayan. Yung kulay lang ng dagat tsaka yung sand. Para siyang Bantayan Island sa Cebu. Okay, may daan pa ba? Okay, done. Here, Sheridan Villas. Hindi ko alam kung gawa na ba to kasi parang nakatakip siya or baka papasok doon. Kala ko may nakaupo na guest visit. Buti na lang hindi ganun kainit. Ang sarap talaga maglakad. Oh no. Oh no, narinig niyo ba yon? Kaya pala hindi mainit eh, baka umulan. Guys, parang gandang akong oh. Boracay Beach House. So yung mga accommodation dito, more on parang maliliit lang siya. Pero mga beachfront. Para mga true home style din. Ito, Signature Boracay. Kayana Boracay. Y Hotel Boracay. So, Club Climax. So, ito na ata yung The Ohana sa Boracay. Sayang to kasi curious ako rito. Ang laki niya. I think, if I'm not mistaken, ito yung last resort dito sa Station 3. Pero nung tumawag ako nung nakaraan kasi I was considering staying here, closed daw siya indefinitely. So, I don't know why. Pero sayang, hindi man lang natin na-try. At ang ganda ng beachfront nila, oh. Ang lawak, ang patag. Grabe, ang ganda. Punta tayo dito saglit, guys. Ang ganda talaga. Wait. Sana mababaw lang at hindi tayo madulas. Teka, medyo mataas siya. Oh, there you go. Oh my God, look, ang ganda. Diba? Sobrang peaceful. Oh, wala halos tao. Tayo lang. Guys, ang ganda dito. Look. Sobrang ganda niya. Sobrang tahimik. See? Wala halos tao. Tayo lang. So if you want relaxation, consider then staying here at Station 3. Ganda talaga, oh my God. So, balik tayo sa taas. Try nating lakarin hanggang dulo nito. Oh my God. Okay. Grabe guys. So, tinan nyo naman yung property ng The Ohana. Ang laki. Sayang. Let's try to find out kung magbubukas pa sila or anong plans. Kasi close indefinitely daw eh. Ayan siya guys. Yan sa rin pinaka-signage niya. The Ohana Beach Club. And look at this. Napakaganda nung harap nila. Hi guys! Hulas na ako pero grabe, ang ganda talaga. Look! Okay, so we've reached the end of Station 3. Umuulan na or nag-start na umulan kaya hindi na ako pupunta dun sa pinakadulo. But it's the same thing, it's still part of the Ohana Resort property. So sana nag-enjoy kayo. Thanks for coming with me guys. Till next Boracay vlog! Bye!